I'm Dr. Larsen at SLC Med Spa. I'm actually board certified in emergency medicine. I was a full-time emergency doctor for 12 years and then worked part-time as an emergency physician for about another 3 years. I got kind of tired of the system and how our system is about diagnosing a problem and then giving a pill. So I looked into doing something where we could look at why someone's having problems, why they're getting sick, why they're getting diabetes. So I initially started looking into medical weight loss and hormones. I started doing a little bit of some injections. I was always really good at doing procedures in the emergency room, and after doing a little bit of Botox and filler, we just started taking off, and now we have so many people who come to our clinic. So Cellfina is a new technology to our clinic and fairly new, just over the past few years available to the public. There's been so many different treatments for cellulite, and as everybody knows, they don't last long and there's minimal results. This is the first cellulite treatment which is actually guaranteed by the company. They guarantee that you're going to see results for at least a year. And the FDA actually says you'll see results for 3 years, and new studies are showing that it may even be permanent, that it's lasting 5 years or maybe even longer. What Cellfina does is it cuts the bands that create the cellulite. So you have a band of fibrous tissue that goes between the muscle and the skin, and that pulls the skin down towards the muscle and causes a dimpling. What Cellfina does, it actually cuts it. So you get rid of that band and the dimple goes away. When you cut the dimple, it's actually very simple technology. There's just a little disc here. We put a suction tube onto this little spot here. When we put this on your thigh, the skin just sucks up inside of this little disc here. So it raises the skin up about that far. So before this is done, we numb it up, but at the end, just a very simple device that pulls the skin up inside of this. We push a cutting device in there. Within a second, cut the device, pull it out, and we move on to the next dimple. We have clients that say that the intensity of this procedure is about a 3/10 in pain. We've had some clients say that Botox hurts more than this procedure. So it really is not that uncomfortable. It's very tolerable. And in about an hour and a half, we can now get as many dimples as we can see that are on your legs. The big thing I want to get out to people about Cellfina is that it really does work. Everyone's so skeptical about cellulite treatment. There have been so many promises about cellulite. There's creams for cellulite, there's lasers for cellulite. There's all kinds of stuff that has been promised about cellulite. And for the first time ever, there really is a treatment that will work for cellulite.